Hey, good morning guys. This is Rami. So right now we're doing desuckering. We're removing suckers from the banana seedlings. See? So you have to take it off because this one is just gonna take out all the energy from this plant. Now, it's very easy if you are able to spot which one to take off, but if you encounter seedlings like this, it's hard to decide which one to take out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, usually the mother plants, their base is like the bottom of the bottle of a bottle, and mostly you check the roots as well. So you could see they have similar girth, circumference of their trunk, but we're gonna find out the roots, where most of the roots are coming from. Okay, so you can see this is well rounded, and then this is the mother plant and this is the sucker. Right, let's try to check it out. See, if I'm gonna bend this a little, it's strong and sturdy, but this one can easily bend. So what I'm gonna do, using a bolo, supposedly I'm gonna use a tumbling bolo, but it's still on the making from the blacksmith. So I'm gonna take this one out slowly, carefully. Let's see if I'm very confident that this one is the sucker. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, see? So indeed this one is the sucker, and we left the mother plant. As you can see, again, check out the base, how well the roots are anchored on the ground. And this one is just your typical sucker. Okay, so we're gonna spray some fungicide. Good sprayer I have here. Okay, so this is a fungicide. Make sure it's not gonna be infected with any fungus from my tools. All right, there you go. So we took out. It has grown nicely, but the rule for seedlings not aging 1 year old or haven't produced fruits is to really take out suckers. Now you're gonna ask, are we gonna plant this one? My answer is no. Okay, because we're not ensured that this one will grow nicely yet, so I would prefer waiting for the mother plant to really mature and have this one transplanted somewhere. So this is not the right time to take out and plant suckers as well. All right, so again, this is banana Lakatan Desuckering. You have to do this. This is one of your maintenance, to make sure that the required nutrients from the mother plant is solely for the mother plant, because the fertilizer and the input that we have applied is only good for one plant for now. So if you plan to, after taking 2 suckers followers to grow them, then you have to multiply your input as well. All right, hope you've gotten some tips there on how to do that one. You can do it on your own. Okay, you don't need to really hire so many people to do it. It's a very easy job. So once again, this is Rami from Sereno Agricultural Farm, from our Lakatan plantation. All right, you guys take care and happy planting.